Good day, everyone, and welcome back to our training on Advanced Basic Life Support for Prime Care Nursing Practice. In this video, we will be talking about foreign body airway obstruction, choking, and integrate BLS scenarios. But before we proceed, let's quickly review our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we learned about how the AED is integrated into the BLS sequence, identified ROSC signs, and demonstrated immediate post-ROSC actions. Now, back to our topic. By the end of this module, participants will be able to know what is choking and how does it become dangerous, differentiate mild versus severe airway obstruction. Now, let's get started. What is choking and how does it become dangerous? Choking happens when a foreign object blocks the airway and stops air from moving normally in and out of the lungs. In simple terms, choking means something has gone into the airway instead of the food pipe, and the person may no longer be able to breathe properly. This is dangerous because oxygen must reach the lungs before it can reach the brain and heart. If the airway is blocked completely, oxygen levels fall quickly. The person may become blue, collapse, and go into cardiac arrest. A choking emergency can happen while eating, playing, laughing with food in the mouth, or handling small objects. It can happen in adults, children, and infants. The more complete the blockage, the more urgent the danger. Note: severe choking is a life-threatening emergency and must be treated immediately. Next is, how can mild and severe airway obstruction be distinguished? It is very important to know the difference between mild obstruction and severe obstruction, because the action taken is not the same. Now let's look at mild obstruction, also known as partial obstruction. The person may cough strongly, speak, breathe with some difficulty, make wheezing sounds, etc. In this case, the correct response is to encourage the person to keep coughing, stay with them, monitor closely, and be ready to act if the obstruction becomes worse. In severe or complete or nearly complete obstruction, the person may be unable to speak, have a silent or ineffective cough, struggle to breathe, clutch the throat, become panicked, become blue around the lips, make little or no sound. In this case, immediate choking relief must begin. Note: a strong cough means some air is still moving. A silent cough means the airway may be critically blocked. In summary, choking happens when an object blocks the airway and stops normal breathing. Mild choking allows some airflow, so the person can still cough or speak, so it encourages coughing. Severe choking blocks airflow completely, making it hard to breathe or speak and requires immediate help. And that is it for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in our next session.